Good morning students, welcome back our chemistry online class. I hope you studied previous lessons, right? Did you learn last class portions? Okay. So today we are going to discuss about unit 15, that is carbon and its compounds. Okay, carbon and its compounds. So you know about the carbon, right? In periodic table we have how many elements? Periodic table contains 118 elements. So among these 118 elements, one of the most important non-metal is carbon. Okay, one of the most important non-metal atom is carbon. Today we are going to discuss about carbon. Okay, so carbon, you know, atomic number for carbon is 6. Atomic number of carbon is 6 and the symbol of carbon C. Okay, symbol of carbon is C. So the word carbon was derived from Latin word carbo. The word carbon is derived from Latin word carbon, which means coal. Carbo means what? Coal. So scientist Antoine Lavoisier, he only proposed this name carbon. Okay, from Latin word carbo. Carbo means what? Coal. So next we are going to discuss about carbon milestones, discovery of carbon milestones, how they prepared carbon. So the ancient peoples, they know charcoal, then diamond, graphite, these are the things they know, but they don't know what are the elements present inside the properties. Okay, for that in the year of 1772, scientist, he is a chemist, okay. So Antoine Lavoisier, in the year of 1772, Antoine Lavoisier, he proved that these are the substances, that means diamond, charcoal and graphite. These are the substance is made with same element, that is carbon. He proved with one experiment. Okay. So in his experiment, what he did, you know, he and his co-workers buy a diamond. Okay, you know the diamond, right? They buy a diamond and they keep this diamond in a glass jar, okay, closed glass jar, and they focused sun rays on this glass jar. What happened, you know, unexpected things, this diamond is burnt and it is disappeared. Okay, and they measured the weight. In the beginning, a diamond with glass jar, they measured the weight, and the second, after burning this diamond, they noted the weight. So here what happened, you know, both weight are equal. Okay, for that they find out it contains carbon atoms. So here they are passing the sunlight in this diamond. Now the diamond is burning, no? So at the time it formed carbon dioxide. Okay, this closed glass jar inside which contains carbon dioxide. For that they find out after burning this diamond, it formed this carbon dioxide, you know. So that they find out they contains which atom? Carbon atom. Okay, sun rays contains oxygen. When it was combined with the diamond, it was burning, it disappeared and formed carbon dioxide. For that they find out this diamond contains which atom? Carbon atoms. Okay, diamond contains carbon atom. And like this, another one experiment in the year of 1779, Carl Scheele, another one scientist, Carl Scheele, he also proved with the graphite. Graphite contains, now diamond contains carbon atoms. Okay, diamond contains carbon atom, and graphite in the year of 1779, Carl Scheele, another one scientist, the same experiment they did with graphite. Okay, they keep this graphite in a closed glass jar and they focus the sunlight. So here also this graphite is burning and it was formed carbon dioxide. Okay, so that they find out this graphite also made with carbon atoms. Okay, and another one scientist, Benjamin Brodie, in the year of 1855, he also proved graphite contains carbon atom. Okay, and another one scientist, Francis Bundy, he proved that this at a high temperature and pressure, this graphite is slowly transformed into diamond. Okay, so this is the one more question. At high temperature and pressure, graphite is transformed into what? Diamond. Okay, at high temperature and pressure, graphite is transformed into diamond. Okay, and in the year of 1985, three scientists, it is Harry Cruto, then Robert Curl, then Richard Smalley, they discovered new form of carbon atom, that is fullerene. Okay, new form of carbon atom. It is the new form of carbon atom, fullerene. Okay, like graphite, like diamond. This is a new form of carbon atom. Okay, so what is new form of carbon atom? Fullerene. Okay, fullerene is the new form of carbon atom, and the shape of the fullerene is soccer ball shape. The shape of the fullerene is soccer ball. Soccer ball means football structure. Okay, so these are the carbon milestones. The next we are going to study the classification of carbon atoms. So carbon atom is classified into two types, that is organic carbon compounds and inorganic carbon compounds. Okay, what are they? Organic carbon compounds and inorganic carbon compounds. So these organic carbon compounds are mainly obtained from natural things, mostly living things. Okay, it was obtained from living things like plants and animals. In plants and animals, they have starch, cellulose, these are the things, right? From there they are preparing organic carbon compounds. Okay, and inorganic carbon compounds, they are obtained from non-living things. Okay, rocks, minerals. So they get calcium, from calcium carbonate they are preparing carbon. Then carbon dioxide, from carbon dioxide they are preparing carbon. Okay, so this organic compound is obtained from living things, plants and animals. Inorganic compounds are obtained from non-living things, rocks and minerals. So compare this organic compound, inorganic compounds, very limited amount only we are getting. Okay, inorganic compound, very limited amount only we are getting. Examples for inorganic compounds, carbon monoxide, CO, only one O, right? So we have to say this name, carbon monoxide. Okay, and you see the second one, carbon dioxide, and third one, calcium carbide. What is this name? Calcium carbide. And CS2 means carbon disulfide. Okay, carbon disulfide. And CaCO3 means calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. And NaHCO3 means sodium bicarbonate. You know, Na means sodium, right? So sodium bicarbonate. These are the examples for inorganic carbon compounds. And organic carbon compounds, let's say acetic acid, then ascorbic acid, then citric acid. Okay, these are the things contains carbon. So they are getting from natural things. Okay, organic carbon compounds. And this organic compound, innumerable compounds we are getting from earth crust. That means this organic compound are synthesized manually, as well as more amount we are getting from earth crust. Okay, naturally we are getting this organic compound. Inorganic compound are synthesized manually, man creating elements, that is inorganic compounds. Okay, so now we can study the properties of inorganic compounds. So inorganic compounds, first, what is the first element? First compound, carbon monoxide. Okay, carbon monoxide, it is formed by the incomplete combustion of fuels. You know, in the vehicles and all we are using the fuels, right? Petrol, diesel. So these are the things contains carbon. So when it was completion of burning, this carbon monoxide was formed in the atmospheric air. So it is formed in the incomplete combustion of fuels. The next, carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is formed complete combustion of carbon and coke. Complete combustion of carbon and coke, carbon atom and coke. So coke means, you may think drinking soft drinks. That is not a soft drinks. Coke means coal powder. Okay, coke means what? Coal coal. So in the first beginning we studied coal. Coal, it contains most carbon atoms. Okay, so coke means what? Coal. Okay, not a aerated drinks. Then calcium carbonate. This calcium carbonate is prepared from calcium oxide and coke. Coke means coal. Okay, so then calcium oxide is mixed with the coal. Which compound is produced? Calcium carbide and calcium disulfide. It was prepared by carbon and sulfur. Okay, when we mixed carbon and sulfur, it was formed what? Carbon disulfide. And calcium carbonate by passing carbon dioxide in slabbed lime. By passing carbon dioxide in limestone. Okay, chunnambukal. So on passing carbon dioxide in slabbed lime, calcium carbonate is formed. And sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is formed when sodium hydroxide is mixed with carbon dioxide. Sodium bicarbonate is formed. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH. This is a base, right? In the last class we discussed base, where we studied this example, sodium hydroxide. So when sodium hydroxide is mixed with the carbon dioxide, which compound is formed? Sodium bicarbonate. Okay, these are the formation. Then this carbon monoxide it is colorless gas. Okay, it is colorless gas and they don't have smell, so that is a odorless. Okay, colorless, odorless, and it is highly toxic. It is dangerous for human. Okay, so it is highly toxic. Then carbon dioxide also colorless, then odorless gas. And calcium carbide, it is a greyish black in color, black solid. Okay, it is greyish black solid. What is the color of calcium carbonate? Calcium carbide, greyish black. Okay, what is the color of calcium carbide? Greyish black. And carbon disulfide. This carbon disulfide is a colorless, inflammable. Inflammable means burning substance. Okay, it is a colorless substance and inflammable substance. Then calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate is a white crystalline solid. Okay, it is a solid substance. Then sodium bicarbonate. The sodium bicarbonate also a white crystalline solid substance. Okay. Then next uses. Calcium carbonate is used as a reducing agent. Reducing agent means like a chemical reaction, and one substance is converted into another substance, right? So iron rod, you all know, right? So this iron rod, after 1 month or 6 months, this iron rod will form the rustings, right? So that is a form of a reducing agent. Reducing agent, iron reduced to form iron oxide. Okay, so that is a type of chemical reaction. So carbon monoxide is used in reducing agent. Then carbon dioxide, it is used in fire extinguishers. To burn off the fire, we are using carbon dioxide gas. Then calcium carbide, it is used in manufacturing of graphite. Graphite, you all know, right? The tip of the pencil, we are using the element graphite, right? So this calcium carbide is used to manufacture graphite. Then carbon disulfide. Carbon disulfide is used for the solvent of sulfur. That means some salt and also it will be dissolved in water, right? But some chemical substance, it does not dissolve in water. It will dissolve in some chemical substance only. So like this sulfur is a chemical substance. It does not dissolve in water. It will dissolve only in carbon disulfide. Okay, that is the solvent. So carbon disulfide is used as the solvent of sulfur. Then calcium carbide. Calcium carbonate, it is used in antacids. Antacids means for the medicines, stomach troubles and all, we are using this antacid tablets, right? So this calcium carbonate is used in antacid. Then sodium bicarbonate is used in the preparation of sodium carbonate. Okay, another chemical substance. The sodium bicarbonate is used in the preparation of sodium carbonate. Okay, now all of you take your book. Take page number 174. Take page number 174. Inorganic carbon compounds. One table is given now. Have to write it near that. Write the inorganic carbon compound and its uses. Write the inorganic carbon compound and its uses. This table. Near that you write down the question book inside question. So you mark this compounds name. 5 compounds name. What are they? Carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, calcium carbide, then carbon disulfide, calcium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate. This column fully you mark it, and see the last column uses. Uses. Each column have to write any one uses. Okay. So mark this column. Question, write the inorganic carbon compound and its uses. Okay, study and write it in your note. Next topic we can continue in the next class. Thank you.